one, go!
Put the snail on the cutting board. Need a knife to make snail. Then get the stove. I need a big pan. Put water in the pan to boil. And 1 ginger root for aroma. When the water boils, add a little salt. Add another steamer pan. Now add sliced ginger for flavor. Now put the snails in and steam them. Cover and wait 15 minutes. Now open it and see. Wow, so fragrant. The snails are cooked. Now take them out and put them on a plate. Then separate the meat from the shell. Okay, cut snail meat into 3 parts. Pick up the snail meat and put it on a large plate. Open the fridge to see what's inside. Take garlic to make garlic butter sauce. Put on cutting board, then peel off the shell. Remember to close the refrigerator door. Watch me do magic, ha ha ha. Now cut the garlic into slices. Time to turn on the stove. First put in the butter. Now add garlic. Decorate it a little to make it eye-catching. Then pour the garlic butter sauce over the snail meat. So attractive, let's eat. Hello and see you again.